Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Motorbike manufacturers don't tell you about recalls, even if they're only, big ones they will, but small tiny ones they won't. So this is a small tiny one for Zontes 350E new scooter. They indicate that there could be a small vibration from the small induction pipe which is behind the air filter in the air filter box. If you put some silicone sealant there, it will stop it from vibrating. Let me just show you the location again there. It's just a small one behind the air filter, the induction input of air. Thank you for watching. This is Mad Mick signing off. Please join our journey. Like and subscribe. Here's for now. Bye bye.